Finding a job as a student can feel overwhelming, especially when you're juggling classes, assignments, and maybe even a social life. But the good news is, there are job platforms designed specifically to help students like you find work that fits your schedule and your goals. Whether you're looking for a part-time gig, a paid internship, or a freelance project you can do from your dorm room, knowing where to look is half the battle. Let's start with Handshake. This platform is built just for students and recent grads. It partners with universities and employers to bring you job listings, internships, and even virtual events tailored to your major and interests. The more complete your profile, the more likely you are to get noticed by recruiters who are actively looking for student talent. Upload your resume, fill out your details, and you'll be on your way to finding opportunities that match your skills and schedule. Next, there's Indeed and LinkedIn. These are the big names in job searching, and they're still incredibly useful for students. On Indeed, you can filter your search by part-time, entry-level, or no experience required, making it easy to find jobs that fit your needs. LinkedIn is all about networking. Follow recruiters, engage with posts, and set up alerts for internships or remote jobs in your field. A clear, student-focused headline on your profile can help you stand out and show employers exactly what you're looking for. If remote work is your goal, FlexJobs is worth checking out. It's a paid platform, but every job listing is vetted, so you don't have to worry about scams or fake postings. You'll find everything from writing gigs to virtual assistant roles, all of which you can do from your laptop, whether you're in the library or at home. For students with specific skills, Upwork and Fiverr are great platforms for freelancing. You can offer services like design, writing, tutoring, or coding, set your own rates, and build a portfolio as you go. Start with smaller projects to build up your reviews, and you'll soon have a steady stream of work that fits around your classes. Chegg Internships is another resource that's often overlooked. It connects students with paid and unpaid internships, both remote and local. You can filter by major, skill, or career path, making it easy to find opportunities that help you gain real-world experience in your chosen field. If you prefer hands-on or seasonal work, Snagajob and CoolWorks are worth exploring. Snagajob lists flexible part-time roles in your area, like barista or retail jobs, while CoolWorks specializes in seasonal positions at places like national parks and resorts. These jobs can be a great way to earn money and have new experiences during school breaks. Finally, don't forget about campus jobs and work-study programs. These positions are often flexible, convenient, and sometimes even related to your field of study. Check your college's internal job board for opportunities like tutoring, research assistant roles, or IT support. By using these platforms, you're not just earning money, you're building skills, gaining experience, and setting yourself up for success after graduation.